What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. All right, perfect. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I see you up in here, AJ. Shout out to you. You always first, second, or third up in here. Shout out to you. EJ going crazy right now. Let me go ahead and let the members know that we what was that? We just hit? Yeah, we hit TP6. Let's go ahead and let the folks know. TP6 hit. Those who are joining the stream, we're in this trade right now. We're looking for a couple other setups. EU ended up going as projected from yesterday, as well as GA. I think they had a nice drop yesterday as well. Those I was in the either London session live or, of course, the members from the New York Live, New York Price watch list. So now we're going to look for another EU sell setup right here. So we're looking for EU sells, looking for continued GBPJPY buys, and we're looking for continued gold buys. We're going to see New Zealand sells as well. EU as projected. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today as well. Be on the lookout for that. If you haven't checked out the other videos that dropped this week or or this month, I should say, make sure to check those out. Playlists are up to date. Everything's up to date. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here as well. Just join the stream. We have not entered this yet. This is a trade idea. We have not entered this yet. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're 2-1 so far this week. This nice move on EJ. Did a nice pump at the beginning of the New York session, then retraced, re-entered it. And did a nice pump again last night during Tokyo session, but see it's retracing right now. That sells in profit on that, and we're looking for possible EN sells as well as possible EU sells. If EU can hold 705, 700 as resistance, we can look for continued sells going down to 675 and possibly as low as 640. That's what we're looking for right here. Got a new 5 minute about to pop up in a minute and some change. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Any charts? Drop them in the chat. You already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. Did you get into the EJ trade yesterday? Oh, that's all good. We're gonna look for some more setups today. As far as news, we should have some stuff popping off in a little bit. Yeah, we do. Literally about a minute some change. We got Euro news popping off. Then 3:30, we got another Euro news event. And then 4 o'clock, we got orange folder news. Then 4:30, we got GBP news. Then 9:45, we got USD news. So we got a whole bunch of news popping off today. Um, Actually, I can't do the 9:45 news, so I might just do. I'm either going. I'm gonna let you know after the live. I'm gonna determine it right now. I don't know if everybody's awake right now. So I'm debating if I just want to do the members only live during the 4:30 news, or just do the live at the beginning of New York because I got a meeting during the 9:45 news, so I can't go live with the members during that. By the way, members, we went live during yesterday's news events. We saw a bunch of stuff go as projected during the news as well as after the news going on to later on to New York session. So I did not watch that. Make sure to check that out. But yeah, we're going to see how this news pops off. Let's see how this news pops off. Again, EU, we have bearish momentum. Now, again, last week, this is where price dropped at. Again, this was Friday last week. This is where price dropped at. But as you can see, it holds this level as resistance. But it's pushed back now. We're right back where we left off last week. So we're going to see if with the news, we're going to be able to break through these levels of traffic and this volume. Oh, there it goes. That's what we're doing. News just popped off. You got to see. Again, I want to see if it's going to go a little bit further, though. But again, if you haven't watched my videos, my playlist on how to trade news, make sure to check that out. We got news popping off right now. After this, just want to see what these trends look like. After testing our level, yeah, let's see if we hold this as resistance. What's good on, Shawn? How you doing, my boy? Those that just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Actually, go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. As far as how we're doing so far this week, we're 2-1 this week. Again, even though it's Friday, if y'all haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis, check it out just so y'all can see how prices look at the beginning of the week and then compare it to what it's looking like at the end of the week and see how most of the stuff went as projected. This is how we did last week. Last week we went 5-0. There was a 100% win rate. And then if you scroll up to June 4th, you'll see how we ended last month, May. May we went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, catching a total of 69,396 pips. Here's the student testimonials, results right here. I can click that stuff out. Again, you can see that we're scrolling to June 3rd, not June 4th. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of that month. You can also see how we ended April. April went 15-4. There's a 79%. Got a total of 47,957 pips. So we've been killing so far this quarter. Again, you click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins and losses are posted. You can see, again, every week we drop the Sunday chart analysis. I always send a link when we go live. You see screenshots of positions as well as screenshots of the signals, all that good stuff. So make sure to check all that stuff out. And then we're going to go over how we did for the one in a second. Right now we got Euro news popping out. We got Euro news popping out for the next 30 minutes. So we're just chilling, watching how the news plays out, answering questions, telling y'all what I see price doing today, all that good stuff. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. Shout out to all the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 2,500 subscribers. We can get that easily. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way. TikTok, _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. But yeah, we got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a second. A Euro is popping off. We have another Euro New Zealand popping off at 3:30. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. We got about 40 seconds, 45 seconds to the next 15. The news event pops off. Let's see how that goes down. 3:30 news popping off. Again, y'all seeing it live in action. All right, so again, y'all be watching my videos. Y'all be seeing these people commenting, "Oh, you can't, you bullshit. You can't assume or project what price is doing during the news." Again, it's not a shock or surprise that price is down when we got bearish momentum. You know what I'm saying? So again, we understand how price works, and we do this every single week. Again, those out here, 15 minutes before the news popped off. And again, you see the news doing exactly what we was talking about. Make sure to subscribe, y'all. All right, it's called a playbook for a reason. Got a new video dropping later on today. Be on the lookout for that. Make sure to catch up to the video I dropped earlier this week and this month. All the playlists are up to date. Those that just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. We're just going over the news. And again, if you go to the beginning of the stream, I was giving my projections 15 minutes before the news popped off. And then we just witnessed both the two news was pop off. And then both the charts was looking at going as projected. Again, we got Euro news going down. We had at 3:15. Then we had at 3:30. And then at 4 o'clock, we got some orange photo news. And at 4:30, we got GBP news popping off. So, and then at 9:45, we got USD news. So we got a bunch of news popping off today. We're looking for possible gold buys as well. Gold went as projected yesterday. Those I was in the live. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at the charts. Drop in the chat. Got a minute, some chance to the next 15 pops up. Man, it's Friday already, which is crazy to me. Time just been, I don't know, let me know in the chat. Is it just me or has time just been flying lately? It don't make sense how it's Friday already. Make sure to like the live, y'all. If you have not liked the live or you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do that as well. We're almost at 2,400 subscribers. I mean, not 2,400, 2,500 subscribers. We can get to that easily. We got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. Be on the lookout for that. But yeah, while we're chilling, y'all know how YouTube works. Make sure to explore the channel because, again, we don't just live stream over here. We don't just live stream a live trade, but we post weekly content from day trading videos, trade breakdowns, day trading tip videos, trading psychology, all types of stuff. Scroll, read the titles. Guarantee there's going to be a couple that's going to help y'all out and pique y'all's interest. The 2-1 this week went 5-0 last week. And then y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Got 5 minutes just popped up. So those that's just joining the live, we had 2 Euro news events pop off, and y'all got to witness live how, again, if you watch my playlist or you got the playbook course, and the playlist I'm talking about is the How to Trade News playlist. If you watch that playlist, again, I show trade breakdowns on news trades, and then I also go over the rules that I follow going about news days, holding setups before news, looking for setups after news, all that good stuff. If you haven't watched that playlist, I'm about to drop it in the chat right now. So make sure to check that out, y'all. Bull going. Got a new 5 minute about to pop up. Gold pushing going as projected. Gotta see we're gonna take out these highs to the left. I just thought if we can continue to hold 2358 support, we're gonna see if we can reach and break 2372. But it's gotta break these highs to the left first. That's what we're gonna be looking for going into this next hour. So all the other news events we got today, we got in about 30 minutes GBP news, and then at 9:45 we got USD news. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure if y'all joined late to rewind and see how the news went down and all that good stuff. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today, so be on the lookout for that. What else? If you guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram. Instagram that's playmaker_wave, or y'all can message me on Telegram. First link in the description. I respond to all messages. President of stimulus services, mentorship programs, the course. Make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, you watch any of my YouTube videos. The last 2 minutes goes over like the details, all that stuff. But again, we're 2-1 so far. We're 3-1 now. This week we went 5-0 last week. As you can see, we went 16-4 last month. This is how we did quarter one, went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. Caught a total of 111,806 pips. And again, if you hit that first link in the description, there's over 1,000 photos of just receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts, from screenshots of the positions, student results, testimonials, screenshots of the signals, all that good stuff. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, we go to my most recent highlight. I didn't update all the other ones. We go to the most recent one to the left, titled testimonials. You can see what receipts from over 2 years worth of receipts of student results and testimonials. So make sure to check all that stuff out. And yeah, it was weekend. Again, we got 4:30, so about 30 minutes, we got GBP news popping off. And then at 9:45, we have USD news. So keep times in mind.